ACCIONA ended 2017 with good results at the operational level. It was an intensive year for investment, with a focus on maximizing earnings from the pipeline and making strategic disinvestments too. ACCIONA generated revenues of 7.254 billion euros. At the same time, we exceeded expectations by improving growth in EBITDA, which reached 1.275 billion euros during the year, thanks to a bigger contribution from the infrastructure division, which comfortably offset a slightly lower return from energy. The company made a significant investment effort and has managed to consolidate the group's financing model, which is reflected in a marginal improvement of financing cost. At the same time, we have reduced our leverage to 4.1 times. 2017 was a very active year for merger and acquisitions operations. Particularly, disinvestment transactions such as the agreement to sell Transmediterránea, the contribution of real estate assets to Testa Residencial, and the sale of the Ruta 160 concession realized in the fourth quarter of 2017. We experienced important growth in construction business volume, which was exceptionally high due to the simultaneous execution of big international projects such as the Sydney Light Railway, the Metro in Quito, Ecuador, and desalination plants in Qatar. Meanwhile, in energy, we saw improved fortunes for the generation business in Spain, coinciding with better wholesale electricity prices, although international production was lower. Once again, we met our goal of net zero emissions and avoided the atmospheric emission of 14.4 million tons of CO2, thanks to our 9.022 gigawatts of installed capacity, which is exclusively renewable energy. We also generated a positive water footprint of 374 cubic hectometers, equivalent to the annual consumption of 7 million people. We increased our investment in innovation to a new record of 209.4 million euros, meeting our goal to keep the ratio of innovation investment over sales to more than double the European average. Other milestones include the launch of our first accelerator for startups in infrastructure and renewable energies, strengthening our leadership in innovation. As for 2018, we foresee moderate growth in EBITDA, with the same levels of investment, while maintaining a strong balance sheet. We will keep the ratio of innovation over sales above the European average. All this managing business as unusual, with our more than 37,400 professionals who make up the company. This is what we dedicate ourselves to. It's our business. We invest in the planet. ACCIONA, experts in designing a better planet.